It's time to get up, honey. Peekaboo. Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone gets up. It's time to brush our teeth. JoJo wants to brush his teeth. Uh-oh, JoJo doesn't know how to brush his teeth. Let me teach you. Kids, let's learn how to brush our teeth with JoJo. The teeth are so dirty. Let's brush our teeth together. Squeeze some toothpaste and brush teeth clean. Bacteria are attacking your teeth. Drag the toothbrush to get rid of them. Remember to brush the back teeth. It's time to rinse mouth. Don't swallow the mouthwash. Spit it out. Everyone has finished brushing teeth. Now, let's wash our face. Oh, JoJo doesn't know how to wash his face either. Let me teach you. Huh? The face is so dirty. Let's wash it together. Wipe it clean with a towel. Wipe your ears. Wipe your ears. Put on some moisture for soft and moist skin. Put on some moisturizer. JoJo knows how to comb his hair. JoJo wants to wash his hands. Please help him. JoJo's little hands are so dirty. Let's help him wash his hands. Turn on the tap and wash his little hands. Turn off the tap. Be sure to save water. Wash his palms first. Tap to get rid of the bacteria. And wash the back of his hands. Wash in between his fingers as well. Don't Don't forget to wash his wrists. Turn on the tap and wash his little hands. Turn off the tap. Be sure to save water. They are so clean. We all stay clean now.
Yeah!
Let Mom check your teeth. Okay, bright and shining.
Yeah! My turn!
Kids, after brushing your teeth, you shall ask your parents to check.
Let's answer questions with JoJo.
What a it together, JoJo.
Yeah!
A new day begins. What should JoJo do first when he wakes up? Brush teeth and wash face. Watch TV. Play toys. It's not toy time yet. It's not TV time yet. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. Brush your teeth and wash your face after JoJo is here in the bathroom. Oh, JoJo does not know how to brush his teeth and wash his face. Who can teach JoJo? Bingo! Brother! Elephant! Elephant does not know. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. It's JoJo's brother. Brother will show JoJo how to brush his teeth. What can be used to brush your teeth? Toothbrush, lollipop, chocolate. Chocolate is so sweet. Lollipop is sweet. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. Brush your teeth with a toothbrush. Brother will show JoJo how to wash his face. What can be used to wash your face? Scarf, outfit, towel. The outfit is for dressing, and the scarf is too long. And yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. Wash your face with a towel and remember to wipe your ears as well. Brother will show JoJo how to wash his hands. What can be used to wash your hands? Moisturizer, soap, toothpaste. Toothpaste is used to brush your teeth. Yeah, that's right. You are such a clever baby. Wash your hands with soap and remember to rub your hands. All done. See you tomorrow.
Time to brush our teeth!